In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to timestamp a document in DocuSign. We'll walk through the process of adding a date field to a document in DocuSign so your file clearly shows when it was signed. This is especially useful for agreements, approvals, and records that need a visible signing date on the document itself. To get started, go to DocuSign and sign into your account. Once you're on the home page, head over to the Agreements section so you can check for the document you want to work with. This helps you confirm that you're opening the correct file before placing any fields on it. After that, click on Sign. A pop-up window may appear, and if it does, simply click Continue to move forward. DocuSign will then load the document page, where you'll be able to place signing-related fields directly onto the file. Once the document is open, look for the Date Signed option. This is the field that allows DocuSign to place the signing date onto the document automatically. Click on Date Signed, then drag it onto the exact location where you want the timestamp to appear. Try to position it neatly in a clear area of the page so it's easy to read and doesn't overlap with existing text or signatures. If you need the date to appear in more than one place, you can click the Date Signed option again and add another one. This is helpful if your document has multiple signature sections or if you want the signing date displayed on different pages. One important thing to keep in mind is that the default field typically shows only the date. If you specifically need both the date and the time to appear as a full timestamp, you'll need to update the timestamp format in the signing settings, if that option is available in your DocuSign setup. So if you place the field and only see the date, that's expected behavior unless the format has been adjusted. Once everything looks correct, you can click Finish if you're ready to complete the process. If you're not ready to finalize it yet, you also have the option to finish later and come back when needed. That gives you flexibility in case you want to review the document placement one more time before completing it. And that's it. That's how to timestamp a document in DocuSign by adding the Date Signed field and adjusting your settings if you need time included as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.